Welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a Microsoft team. Microsoft Team is a service where you can create classes and put resources for students to complete and receive feedback from the students as well. This is part of the Microsoft 365 service, so to log on to the system you need to go to office.com, sign in with your school email address and password as you would normally, and then when you get onto this screen you need to press the Teams icon, which is here. When you press the Teams button it will take you into the Teams interface. To begin with, yours will look empty. These, in my example here, are a series of teams that I've created. Partly as practice and partly as setting up my own classes. To create your classes you're going to need to click in the top right hand corner the Join or Create Team button. It's then going to ask you whether you want to join another team that's already been created by somebody else or to create your own. So to create my first class I'm going to create a team. It's then going to ask me what type of class I want to have. So I'm going to choose the class button. It's then going to say what is the name of your team. So in this case I'm going to do year 11, so I'm just going to put year 11 computer science followed by my initials and then the academic year. If you want to put a little bit more information in the description you can do, but it's not required. When you've done that you're going to need to press the next button. It's then going to ask you which are the students that you want to allocate into this team. So you can do one of two things. You can type in every student individually into the system, but that is quite a time consuming process. So what we've done for you is we have created all of these students into different groups. These are based on the class timetable names from Sims. So to begin with I'm going to add my year 11 students into this class, so I'm going to put into year 11 line 3 CS1, and as you're starting to type you'll see the class will start to populate for you. So there's my class, and then when I need to press the add button it'll tell me it's adding those students, so it's adding those 21 or 20 students into the class. So once it's done that it'll automatically add me as the class teacher, so I don't need to add that in. Press close and there we go, that's my class created. So if I go back to the Teams button on this left hand side here, you can now see that I've now created that class team for all of my year 11 students. If I go back into it I can check to see whether all the students have automatically allocated in by clicking on the three dots, press manage team, so I can see that the class teacher's in, and I can also now see that all the names of the students have automatically gone into the system as well.